Okay, I got this box in the mail, and I'm excited to open it up. Can I get those scissors? The great unveiling. I thought I'd do this unboxing with you. I think I know what this is. Picked it up from the UPS guy. Nondescript box. Just says up. And as we open, I'm pretty excited. Oh, yes. Yes. So it has a packing page. And this is it. It's the first edition, finally here after, how many, has it been 2 years? I think it's been 2 years in its own, look at this, check this out. Nice, I like it. Bibliotheca's 5 books of the four prophets, the latter prophets, the writings, and then the New Testament. Comes in this little case. Let's open up the case. This is beautiful. It's heavy, I can tell you that. They did not skimp on paper. And let's pull out this. Look at this. Wow. Let's see if this binding and everything. Ooh. Inside. Visit bibliotheca.co/intro for information about the design, manufacture, and featured translation of this edition. These books are composed of natural materials. Some variation in color and texture is to be expected. The first printing of the first edition. And wow, nice smooth finish. Very much actually like the community Bible experience, where there's no chapters or verse numbers. As you can, hopefully you can see. Wonder if there is yes, there's a table of contents up front. So there's a table of contents. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know if you can see all of that. Nice and clean aspect of this writing. The good tidings according to Matthew, according to Mark, according to Luke, according to John, the Acts of Apostles, the Epistle of Paul to the Romans, etc., etc. This is the first chapter of the New Testament, according to Matthew. And this is how it actually starts. I don't know if you can see it. I'll read just the first paragraph to you. The book of the generation of Jesus Christ, the son of David, the son of Abraham. Abraham begot Isaac, and Isaac begot Jacob, and Jacob begot Judah and his brethren, and Judah begot Perez, and so forth. It is a clean text. I'm looking forward to actually sitting down with this. This is perfect for the new year for my Bible reading plan. And then it also has the Old Testament broken into 4 different volumes. As you can see, it's the 5 books of the 4 prophets. Let's see. And then the next one is the latter prophets. Okay. And then it ends with the writings. I think you can see, right? And if this follows like most other Old Testaments, let's see where the Old Testament ends. Page 607 is where it ends. I'm trying to see if there's a table of contents. It's exciting. Starts with the Psalms, of course. This is the writings. Psalms, Proverbs, Job, Song of Songs, Ruth, Lamentations, Ecclesiastes, Esther, Daniel, Ezra, Nehemiah, and the Chronicles. 485. So I just want to show you what the beginning of a chapter looks like. So here, this is exactly what the beginning of a chapter looks like. It reads like a storybook, right? Reads like a book, so that when you turn the page, it basically reads just like a text, how it should be. So, God's story in a box. I'm really excited to get reading. This is a Kickstarter project that has obviously been in the works for a while. Excited to finally get this really heavy package in the mail. I hope you've gotten yours as I take the New Testament and read it as we go into the new year.